Yes people, what is going on today? We've got a special one. I'm in Tokyo. I'm on the C1, on the anti-clockwise loop. For those that don't know, it's a expressway, motorway, highway, whatever you want to call it, and it just basically goes around the center of Tokyo. And yeah, you basically do a loop, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Today I'm anti-clockwise. So yeah, so we've got also a special car today. Stuck on Toyota, so I've got another Toyota GR Supra this time. This is the SZ version. I believe they only released this in Japan, and it's a very low base model version basically. It is the 2-litre 4-pot twin scroll turbo engine, and yeah, it's like, let's see where we're going first. C1, yeah, we'll continue on this road here. And yeah, as I was saying, apparently it only comes with like 195 horsepower, which is quite similar to the last video I did on the Toyota GR86. But yeah, it is what it is. The weight on this thing is just under like 1,500 kilos, so it's like the lightest of the models. Also comes with all adaptive suspension, unlike the 2-litre, I believe, in European and American markets, where they got rid of that for the 2-litre. Let's overtake this truck. So yeah, just join me on this ride as I just do a little loop and see what happens. Hopefully we get to see some good cars, I don't know. And yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, so far I've had a few hours of this thing, and yeah, I'm quite impressed. I can only imagine what the bigger engine will feel like with the power, but this is quite very nimble actually, and just overall a good drive. It's a pleasant drive. Suspension is great. I've put it on the sport mode now, so it does make it a bit more with the throttle response, a bit more aggressive. But then again, what can you expect from 195 horsepower? But it's very fun around the city. Yeah, turbo kicks in nicely. Yeah, there's not many cars out today. Did see a R34 GTR earlier on in white. That was a beautiful moment indeed. Yeah, so this one as well comes with the 17-inch alloy wheels. Again, from the 2-litre, from the European and American markets, I believe that comes with like 18 inches as standard. And then obviously if you get the 3-litre 6-pot inline 6, you get the 19-inch wheels as well, and a bunch of other things. But yeah, the price on this thing as well, I think it was 4 to 5 million Japanese yen, which comes to about 30k British pounds. I'm talking. I'm not too sure about US dollars, but that pretty much puts it in line with the price ranging of the GR86. Now I'm basing it off like the UK prices, but other than that, yeah, it will be pretty cool to get this car at that price point, if other people can't really afford the 40k, 50k price tag and that. Let's see what this thing's got. Oh, this road is just amazing. Like, it's always a road that I've always wanted to drive. I don't know who else has played the Wangan Midnight Maximum, or I forgot which order those words go in, but yeah, I used to play that a ton in the arcade centres, and I used to smash out of this road all the time. Was that C1 on the right, Ginza, Yokohama. So I'm going to go on the right lane, and basically you just pay a fare. Obviously it's a toll road, and you can just stay on the loop without getting off. So yeah, it's just fun. As you can see, it's like a little Mario Kart circuit. This is a great cruiser, seriously. 8-speed automatic, just chilling, absolutely chilling. Where are we? Oh, and that's it. I've already done a loop. So you can do like a full circuit in about 8 minutes or so, and I'm not even really driving fast. So yeah, there you go. We got Ginza, Yokohama coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on here. You can see the instrumental as well. They've left the TFT. It looks really nice. Oh, a little police station on the left there. So that undercover car as well. Into the flappy panel. Yeah, not bad, not bad. All honesty though, you'd want to go with that 3 litre. It's alright though, this 2 litre, but still. But what's nice about this is the handling. As I said, it's a lot lighter, and the balance of the weight as well. So it's not bad. Going uphill as well. Turbo kicks in. We've got the road all to ourselves. It's a bit mad because it's 3 AM here. You can see like the Tokyo skyline. It's just epic. Hoping to see Tokyo Tower, but I have no idea where it is unless they've turned off the lights. Perhaps. Very precise with the steering. It's very nice the way they've done it. Very refined. That left lane. We've got Shibuya Shinjuku exit coming up. It's not bad, the little pickup, but as I said, if you really want the power, just go for that 3 litre. But you know what, I'd like to try out that manual. I think manual in this car is where you want to be. With a 3 litre as well, the 6-pot, oh, I'll be sick. Definitely go for that. Jump on the right lane here. See how it sounds. Too bad, but then again, this is completely stock, so you can't expect much. Alright everyone, thanks for joining in. Tune in next time when I bring something else, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe, like the video. Also check out my Instagram, I'm constantly posting on there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and the content, and hopefully more to come. Thanks, and see you next time. Peace out.